Hello guys, it's me right here and welcome to Wonderland. Today we are opening
bonbons.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are starting right now. I don't know. Wait, do I have to cut this?
I think you do. I think it's making it easier for you, you see? Ooh, it's not so hard.
Oh my gosh, these are sticky.
They are.
We tried to get it fixed so we could cut it.
I think you might have to cut a little bit more on the bottom. Yeah, right there. Try to see if you can open them first.
Okay.
You think you can open them? Oh, there it goes. Ooh.
A big ball, the manga.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. They're like candies inside.
Ooh. I hope it is candy.
Okay. Let's see if we can dribble. Oh! That can work.
Wow. What is it? What is it? Let's see.
A cute little dog.
Oh, that's so cute. Look at them. They're so perfectly shaped. Wow.
I'm gonna put that right there so you guys can see it. It doesn't want to stand up.
I think the little head is a little heavy.
We're gonna put it back in this ball.
Oh, it's so cute. All right, let's see what else you get. Guys, comment below to let us know which one's your favorite from all the ones that she ends up opening, okay? And remember, guys, to give us a big thumbs up. Right, Maya?
Okay, this one's little. Yes. Okay. This one's yellow.
It's yellow?
Yes.
Ooh.
Okay.
You got this. You got this. You got it. Come on.
Okay. Maybe this one.
You can do this.
Hold on. Okay.
Another green one?
Yeah.
Ooh.
There's another one. A cute little shark.
Whale! It looks
It's a
like a
shark.
whale. I think it's a whale. What do you guys think? Look how cute it is.
Okay. They call with both collections.
Oh, nice.
This one's from dog. This one's from the whale.
All right, let's see who else.
Okay. Over from the bottom. This one's definitely purple.
Ooh, purple. That's a first.
You can see inside.
Ooh.
This is a new one. Oh, this is so cute.
What is it?
This like I don't know. I have no idea.
Ooh. Let's see. Oh, it's cute. That looks like a little bear.
Yeah, it does.
That's cute.
Okay, let's open the second one. This one's low already.
No, it's green.
Oh, okay.
Another yellow?
Wait a second.
Let's see.
This is a owl.
Oh, that's so cute.
And this is a hedgehog.
It looks like a little bear though.
Yeah.
Or maybe a little guinea pig.
Oh, maybe there was a guinea pig.
Oh, that's cute. You have 2 more left.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay. Another purple. You guys,
Ooh.
I think we got this one.
Oh, which one's that one?
I don't.
That looks like a puppy. That's like a different kind of dog.
Look. If there's a hole, that means you can put it on a pencil.
Or a pen. That is so cute.
And the checklist.
Oh, it's it's a horse. I think it's a horse. It's a horse. It's a horse, guys. Look. Look, it's a horse. Or if you guys think differently, remember, comment below.
First, this open and then. I might need some help finding the opening. So, it's really easy to open these toys. It's fun.
Which one is it? Is it different?
No.
It looks like the same. Ooh, I
This
think
is
that
like-
one. Twins!
No, I think this is a mama.
Oh, wow, nice.
They each have like little holes where you can put the pencils.
Those are cute.
And guys, guess what? The fun part is we get to change the colors. Just
Oh,
look.
those are nice. Look at that, guys.
So, I need a pen to show you how this works.
Pencil.
Yes.
There you go.
So, you gotta squeeze them in there in order to look like it. So you can bring it to school anywhere.
Those are fun. Let's do the doggy one.
Okay.
Ooh.
The doggy one doesn't have a hole.
Oh, it doesn't?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't.
Let's see this one.
That one
So-
does?
This one's an owl, and it does have one. This one has a thing, but still has a hole.
Nice.
So these are one of the ones that you can put on the pencils. So let's start putting one on top here. And then... Okay.
Those are nice. I like the color mixture. Those are nice.
Okay. No.
Close that one.
Okay. Let's
Ooh, those look nice. Perfect. And you can take them anytime you want to school, right, Maya? Just so that way you can put them on your pencil and have them for decoration. They're so much fun, guys.
This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you guys have any
Questions or anything to say, please comment below.
below.
And thank you guys so much as well, because we are almost reaching 100 subscribers. So almost, okay? Let's get to 100 subscribers so we can do a giveaway. Thank you guys so much. Remember to give us a big thumbs up. Right, Maya?
Yes.
Thank you.